So how to create your first project? Well, to create a project, you have to type down tns create your app name, and after that the path with directory, app ID, and copy from which directory. And after that you receive this project structure. What you have is the name of your application, and inside app you have app.css. This is for global CSS for your whole application. You have app.js from where your application begins. You have bootstrap.js, main page.js, which is the main page that will be loaded from app.js. After that you have the XML, which is the view of your page, and you have app resources folder. After that you have different TNS modules, and on the same level of app you have platforms. So after that you have to add a new target platform to your project. You have to do that with TNS platform add, and for example Android. Then you have to prepare the project, and important, always run prepare before running build, deploy or emulate. This ensures that the NativeScript CLI will build an application package with your latest code and resources. To prepare it, you have to say tns prepare in your platform. For example, tns prepare Android. Then you have to build a project for the target platform, tns build Android, and deploy the project to device. You can do it with tns deploy and the platform, let's say iOS. If you do not have any physical devices, you need to emulate it. Then you have to do it with tns emulate and what platform. And finally, all-in-one solution, prepare, build, and deploy. So tns run and tns run platform or with emulator. What is the live sync? Well, NativeScript CLI can synchronize changes from your project to an already deployed application on device. To do that, you have to run the following command: tns live sync platform with watch, or if you're using emulator, then tns live sync platform watch // emulator.